Proposition 19 barely passed in 2020, so definitely something to take advantage of if you're able, and I'm gonna go ahead and tell you how to do exactly just that. Hello, I'm Heather, your locally trusted realtor here in Los Angeles, California. So there are two different elements that I'm going to be covering today about Proposition 19, and the first one is going to be, I guess, the disadvantage. So before Proposition 19, it used to be so that if you inherited a property, you could continue paying the same property taxes on that property. However, now Proposition 19 made it so that unless you're going to be residing in the unit, you have to pay the updated taxes on that property. So if you're wanting to rent it out or use it as a vacation home, unfortunately, those property taxes are going to be updated to the new home value. So the upside of Proposition 19 is that it allows for certain homeowners to transfer their primary residence property tax value to a replacement property of any value anywhere in the state. However, if the new home is worth more than the previous one, the increase in value is added to the transfer tax value on the old home. The tax-based formula subtracts the value of the old home from the value of the new home, then adds the old tax base. So for example, say you owned a home in Culver City for the past 30 years, and your property tax assessed value is $300,000. Now 30 years later, if you sold your home for $1 million and purchased a new home anywhere in California for $1 million or less, you can transfer your previous taxable value to the new home, and that will be its taxable value. However, say you want to upgrade to a $1.5 million home. Your new home's taxable value will be $800,000. And the calculation is the difference in increased value between the two homes, which is $500,000 plus the original tax value, which was that $300,000, which brings you to the $800,000. It is a higher property tax assessment than before, but it is still substantially less than what it would have been on that new home. So who qualifies to take advantage of Prop 19? Well, if you're a homeowner who's 55 plus, if you're disabled, or if your home has been destroyed by a wildfire or natural disaster, then you definitely can take advantage of this proposition. And you're able to do this up to 3 times. But both properties do have to be your primary residence. So you can't do it and then lease out the property or use it as a vacation home. And you do have 2 years from the sale of the property to acquire the new property with the transferred property tax. You'll need to apply for the benefit by filing a claim with your county assessor, or you can count on your realtor and they'll take care of that for you through the home buying process. If you found this video helpful, please do hit that like button, and if you'd like to see more of me, definitely subscribe. Thanks again for listening, and please don't hesitate to reach out with any of your real estate needs.